Kuya, paano po kapag nonchalant siya? Ano po gagawin ko sa kanya? Minsan okay naman siya, minsan nonchalant po. Salamat po, sana mapansin. Ito ang tanong ko sa'yo, Sigarilyo. Paano mo ba nasabing nonchalant siya? Baka naman kasi puro chat ka lang and nasasabi mo na nonchalant siya through chat lang. Kung binabase mo lang na nonchalant siya through chat, hindi ubre yan, Sigarilyo. May mga tao kasi talaga na walang gana mag-chat, no? Katulad ko, ako wala akong gana sa chat. Mas gusto ko may pag-usap in person. And besides, you should only be using your phone to set up dates, not to get to know someone. So ang advice ko sa'yo, Sigarilyo, is to stop chatting her too much and ask her out on a date already. If she accepts your invite, then that tells you that she's interested. She has an attraction level of at least a 5 towards you. Ngayon, if she declines your invite in 2 consecutive separate occasions, then that tells you kung bakit siya nonchalant most of the time. She's not that interested in you. Ngayon, on the other hand, sabihin na natin na nonchalant daw si ating in person. Sabihin natin ganun yung scenario. Same principle applies pa rin. Ask her out on a date and see if she accepts your invite or not. Ngayon, kung inaccept nga niya yung invite mo sa date pero nonchalant pa rin siya, mag-isip-isip ka na, Sigarilyo. Ganyang klaseng babae ba yung gusto mong makasama sa date? I mean, dates are supposed to be fun and exciting for both parties. So yun lang yung may papayo ko sa'yo, Sigarilyo, no? Kasi kulang na kulang yung detail na tinanong mo sa akin through DM. So I'm assuming na kaya mo nasabi na nonchalant siya, sa chat mo lang siya kinakausap. Ask her out on a date para makilala mo ng husto kung ano ba talaga yung personality niya. And if she's the right woman for you or not. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo and follow for more. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.